after very cold weather, reach almost like minus 45, almost crazy, terrible cold weather. One of those wiper, which is the driver side wiper, stopped working, and you can see when I put the wiper on, just one, you can see the other one is kind of moving halfway only. So how to fix this problem? Stay tuned and you will know how to fix it. So I don't have the sockets or the tools with me, just got this one. And as you see, the smart Japanese cars, when they design this, they know this all when you get freezing weather, this wiper will stuck, and when accidentally or potentially trying to put the wipers on, what happened is this one basically came loose for safety reason, and which is great actually to have. Some other cars might burn the motor, break some kind of like the arms down there to move the wipers, and will be a lot of fixing. You need to remove the entire thing and dig out there to find out what's the problem. But as you see, easy fix, just tie this bolt, even this one here, this one is okay, but this one just tight it enough. Now we're gonna try and see if that solves the problem. Just need to be tight more. When I get the socket, I just need to tie it down. I think this one is 14 millimeter. So as you see, this one came loose a little bit, but it's so hard to tell, and I was trying to tie it down with just regular like pliers or something. You need a socket number 14 and has to be tied really good, and the problem is solved now. I'm just gonna close the hood. And I'll just give it a try. You can see it now. So that's how you fix it, in case if you see one of those wiper like not moving or stuck. The first thing you need to do is simply by just tie down the bolt here, and if that didn't work, then you need to remove this cover and maybe check if anything kind of like if there is any gear maybe broken, or the arm which moves this wipers left to right. But that's easy fix. Thank you for watching, and see you next video.